Cover one eye. Now take your phone light and shine it in from the side, like this. Look closely. Do you see those lines moving across your vision? Those are your blood vessels. They've been there your entire life. But normally, you never see them, because your brain hides them from you. And that's just the beginning. Right now, your brain is filtering out millions of pieces of information. Not because something's wrong, but because it has to. And once you start noticing what it filters, you realize something's strange. You're not experiencing reality, you're experiencing a version of reality. And the strangest part is just how much your brain edits out without you even noticing. But hiding your blood vessels isn't the weirdest thing it does. Try this. Close your left eye and look at the plus on screen. Then slowly move your phone closer. At a certain distance, the other dot disappears. It's gone, but the object didn't disappear. Your brain deleted it, and then filled in the background, so you wouldn't even notice anything missing. Okay, so your brain already hides things, deletes information, and fills in gaps. But that raises a bigger question. Why? Why would your brain hide parts of reality from you? To understand that, we need to try something else. And this next experiment is where it gets weird. Look at this clip carefully. I want you to count. How many times do the hard eyes emoji and glasses emoji bounce off the walls? Focus. It was 16, but did you notice the dancing baby? Or the dancing cat? Or maybe the dancing dog earlier in the video? Chances are you missed it. Most people do, even though it's right there. This happens because your brain gets so focused on what it thinks matters that it completely ignores the rest. And that's exactly how it filters reality in your life too. Close your eyes. I'll tell you when 10 seconds has passed. Pause. It was 7, but for most people, that felt longer because your brain doesn't actually measure time, it estimates it. And sometimes that estimation is wrong. So think about what happened. Your brain hides things you should see, deletes parts of your vision, fills in missing information, distorts time, and even ignores obvious things right in front of you. But here's the real mystery. Why would evolution design a brain that intentionally hides reality from you? The answer is surprisingly simple. Your brain isn't trying to show you reality, it's trying to show you the most useful version of reality. If your brain processed everything around you, every sound, every movement, every color, you'd be completely overwhelmed. So instead, your brain predicts what matters and filters the rest. You don't actually see the world. You see your brain's prediction of the world. It fills in gaps, ignores unnecessary details, and highlights whatever it thinks is important. And most of the time, this works incredibly well, but it creates a strange side effect. The same filtering that affects your vision also affects how you see your life. If your brain filters visual information, it also filters ideas, it filters possibilities, it filters opportunities, and it especially filters things that don't match what you already believe. If you believe you're bad at something, your brain highlights every mistake. If you believe something is impossible, your brain hides evidence that it isn't. It's the exact same system. This is why two people can experience the same situation and walk away with completely different realities. They're not interpreting the world differently, they're literally perceiving different versions of it. When you focus on learning, your brain starts noticing patterns everywhere. When you focus on opportunities, you'll start spotting them constantly. But when you focus on problems, your brain will start showing you more problems. So your attention is basically telling your brain what reality to display. So right now, your brain is hiding reality from you. Not because it's broken, but because it's trying to help you survive. It simplifies the world, it fills in gaps, and it quietly decides what you notice and what you never see. So the next time you think you're seeing reality exactly how it is, remember this. You're not seeing the world, you're seeing the version your brain decided to show you. And if your brain can hide your own blood vessels, erase objects from your vision, distort time, and even ignore dancing babies, imagine how much of reality you might be missing.